Okay guys, this is one of the biggest appliances that we've dealt with on our channel. Unless you can call a 75-inch TV a bigger appliance, but this is pretty, hefty. Now what it is, the washing machine, this is the back, but we've noticed that the drum has lowered. The rubber at the top is sort of sticking down and it's dropped. This is potentially due to like moving it without putting the bolts in. Now I've taken the top off, I didn't need to do that. It's interesting that even though it looks like it's all metal, the top is actually a bit of wood. When the drum drops, it's down to these shock absorbers, or dampers as they're known. Some people call them suspension. So I've got to be able to squeeze this bit using pliers or a screwdriver, I think, to push the pin in. It's quite easy actually, and then pliers to pull that out. To get an engineer out, the parts are in warranty, but the labour isn't. It's going to cost about 160 odd pound. Yeah, these are about £10 each. So for £20 I'm going to give it a go, going to replace them. So first of all is I can push that pin in like that. It's a little clip sort of thing. It's really good that it's actually quite loose. And then pliers, or like I'm going to use these grips. See if I've adjusted that right. Yeah. And it's a matter of pushing it out, levering it out, and that is literally on its way out. Now when this comes out, this is going to push down. I've got two to change. The spares do come with new pins. Keep going. Yeah, see now it's got a bit of an angle. It's because these literally, actually that's pretty solid. I thought these move. They do. You see, it's moved in, and you can move them in and out. But I thought they were, yeah, look, it does. I can do it manually. So, once this pin's out, I should be able to push that up. Let's just hope this is what the fix is. Right, that's coming out further. Yep, nearly out. One pin out. That's actually loose, it's not a problem.